Hi everybody, we're at John Sadler's Auto Repair, and today we have a Nissan Altima. The customer's concerned when they go up driveways at different angles, they hear like some rubbing or a noise in the rear on the left side. And I took it up and down the driveway, took it for a test drive. I didn't hear a lot of noises. Then I put in the lift and just started moving things around and pushing and pulling the suspension, and I'll show what I found out. And after speaking with the customer, he had some work done at a body shop on the left rear fender. And if you look at this side and you see the attachment point where my finger is, that everything, it has a nice attachment, everything looks pretty good. The little plastic rivet piece that goes inside there and all that, the metal has the right bend and stuff. And then you come over to the driver's side and it looks a lot different. It's this piece has a gap here, so that's not even in all the way. This piece may be worn out, and piece is all bent from whatever damage they went to the body shop to begin with. And then there's a hole in the bottom of it, and see, hear that? It keeps it secure. So you go over here, I do the same thing, doesn't move at all. So usually when you see something this blatant like this, the work that they did behind it it becomes in question. And I'm just going to refer them back to the body shop where they originally went to, but I want to make this little video so they can show the body shop, hey, here's what's going on. Why would you do something like that? So anyways, that kind of gives you a clear picture. Because everybody says, oh, well, that's okay, that's not that big of a deal. It's a pretty blatant mistake. And so when you see that at all anywhere on a job, it puts in question all the repair that's done underneath that. So I don't know if they had the whole bumper off. I'm not sure because I wasn't there. But I think it's important for the consumer to show the body shop manager, hey, this is the kind of work you people are releasing to us, and what are you going to do about it? And would you look the whole job over? Because now we're concerned about the integrity of the whole job based on a small detail like this that's got bypassed. So once again, you just got to look at stuff. You have to be proactive. You have to make video evidence to show people and try and find good, reputable places to do the work. And hopefully they can correct this problem. And if they can't, then I'll find another body shop that can help them. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Bye.